Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking an engine and why it fits your goals. Unity for visuals, RenPy for narrative, Godot for lightweight control, or Web for instant play. Next, define a narrow scope, list 5 to 10 scenes and 1 to 2 branching points so you can finish. Once decided, initialize a Git repo, create folders for scripts, assets, and scenes, and wire a minimal main menu. This gets you to a runnable prototype quickly and avoids scope creep. Now implement the core systems: a scene manager to load and transition between scenes, and a save/load system using JSON so states persist. Build a dialog data format with nodes, choice arrays, conditions, and flags to track outcomes. This makes logic data-driven and editable. Create reusable UI components, text box, choice list, and portrait slots. That's separate presentation from logic. Once done, connect triggers to flags so choices alter future scenes and enable fast iteration. To finish, run focused playtests on each branch and log bugs with priority labels so you fix showstoppers first. Then add polish, audio cues for pacing, transition animations, and input smoothing to keep reading comfortable. Implement error handling, graceful fallbacks for missing assets or corrupted save files so players don't hit dead ends. If something breaks, reproduce the bug, check the save state and dialog flags, and revert or patch the last change. That single troubleshooting tip saves lots of time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.